taking a stand against bullying. The Bikers Against Bullies U.S.A. Beaufort, South Carolina chapter cruised into Mossy Oaks Elementary School to donate this buddy bench.
Kid's lonely, if the kid's having problems in school, bullying-wise, if he's having problems with his parents or his, social life, anything, whatever kind of problems he's having, he sits on the bench. It's just kind of a quiet way to ask for help.
What's the main thing you should do if somebody feels lonely?
Other kids can go over and say hi and invite them to play with them, or just to get to be a friend, or gives teachers and administrators and everybody, they can see if the kid's not doing well, or if he's sitting there. It's just a silent way to ask for help.
The bikers talk to students about why bullying is wrong, and the kids understand what to do if they see someone sitting on the bench.
I thought it was really cool when I saw the bench. I would go over there and talk to them and see what was going wrong.
If my classmates or a different class was there, I would walk towards and I would say, hey, you can play with me, I don't care, and we can have fun and all of that. And I think that's very kind of them to do that, because you can make new friends.
This is a special week, and the school is excited the bench has been installed for students to use if they need help.
I couldn't think of a better way to celebrate National School Counseling Week than to see this buddy bench presented to our special school, Mossy Oaks Elementary.
Make them feel special.
This buddy bench is going to be tremendous in terms of helping when we're, in an open setting, to supporting that social outdoor piece for our students during recess and outdoor classroom time.
The Bikers Against Bullies also left wristbands and stickers for teachers to give to students who they see are being friendly and nice.
When the bullying stops, we stop. This is the only organization I've ever heard of where the long-term goal is to be put out of business. Just put us out of business. Stop bullying, stop treating people the wrong way.
The bench was installed in an outdoor classroom space at Mossy Oaks Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.